Welcome to today's home tour, you guys. We are in Washington Lane, a fabulous subdivision in Broken Arrow. You're on a cul-de-sac lot here. Gorgeous homes all around. Pond views in the back, so stay tuned for that. This home is currently offered at the time of this video $414,900, listed by my good friend Deanna Maxwell right there in Keller Williams Preferred. And then it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,243 square feet, and it's sitting on a 0.15 acre lot. Obviously, you have this gorgeous 3-car garage here. Love the cedar accents with the brick. Really pretty. It gives me that modern farmhouse look. Love the white with the black around the windows there. You have a really cute front patio here with the swing. You do have accent lighting, or recessed lighting, some people call it, on the top. And let's head on in and check out this fabulous home. So right inside here, you're greeted by these fabulous light fixtures, and I love the barrel cut out there. Gives the home a lot of character. Love the white. It's always a clean look. You do have these wood look tile floors throughout the downstairs, which is really nice. Right in here, you have got a bedroom. It could be an office if you'd like. There's that window out to the front where we were. Really good sized room. I'll show you the closet space. So good sized closet here for a bedroom or an office, like I said. There's a door right there that is a bathroom. I'll show you that in a second. Let's head out here to the garage. Loads of space in here. Obviously, it is a 3-car garage, so no worries there. Get all your cars in. Personally, a lot of people like to use the other side for your lawnmower or other goodies. Some people turn them into a workshop if you only have 2 cars, but lots of options there. Moving on, you do have a full bath right here. Really good size. Love the countertops. You've got shaker cabinets down here and that full shower and bath combo. And here's your living space. I am in love with these windows. If you guys have seen a lot of my house tours, natural light to me is always a winner, and this home does not disappoint in that arena. We'll go outside in the backyard in a minute to see the pond, but stay tuned for that. We got a lot of house to see. We have shaker cabinets, again, in the kitchen with the inset glass on the top, which is a really nice feature. I love these quartz counters on this island. Every house needs an island. I mean, so much happens in the kitchen, and it's always good to have that workspace. You could definitely get bar stools right here. You have a porcelain farm sink right there, which is stunning. And then take note of that backsplash that goes all the way around. You have Whirlpool stainless steel appliances and an LG, it's like an InstaView. I don't really know where the button is, but so you can like see through. You had stuff in there. It's pretty cool. You have a really generously sized pantry. Look at this. Shelving behind this door as well. Like store food for days. No worries there. Let's head on over this way and we will check out the upstairs. Right here, I believe is just a coat closet. Yes, coat closet. And here is your upstairs little game room area. Love that. And then behind me here is going to be one of your bedrooms. Really good size. Oh, look at these cute curtains. Oh my gosh. Dinosaurs. Really good size room. I'll show you guys inside the closet because, you know, in real estate photos, they never take a photo of the closet. So that's a perfect size for a bedroom of this size, in my opinion. And then we will go this way. Here's your laundry room. Again, you have the shaker cabinets in here as well, and then a place to hang up your clothes. as they come out of the washer, you know, if you're like me and take them out of the dryer, you're in a hurry. Just hang them up, get to it later. You have a full bath right here. Again, shaker cabinets. Very nice. You have the, I like the shower wand up there. I don't know if the other bathroom had that. I'd have to go back and look, but really nice feature there. Good sized tub. Do you like the light fixtures? Turn my brightness down a little bit. Very nice. Let's head over this way. Here is another bedroom. Closet is about the same. We'll double check. Yeah, about the same. And then over here is going to be your master. I do like this matte black hardware throughout, and also in the kitchen, if you noticed, the matte black faucets as well. Really good size master. I like this little cubby area right here, so you can have like a entertainment center and then like your TV here, and you can keep all the stuff over there. I think that's a cool feature. Here is the full room. Very spacious, very spacious. There's plenty of room in between these to get a king size bed in here between the windows, which is personally where I would put it, unless you put it on that wall, but I feel like you'd want it over here. But again, as I've said in other videos, I'm not an interior decorator, not my department. You do have dual vanities in here, very similar to your other bathrooms with the shaker cabinets and the matte black. Love that. Really good size shower. You have the shower wand in here as well, and I love the built-in ledge in the bath or in the shower right there, because like you need that. You do have built-in ledges right there for your shampoo and stuff. Very nice. Really good sized tub. Again, natural lighting. We've talked about that. This is your toilet area. And then a very spacious master closet. All the room for the shirts and all the stuff, shoes. Really good size. All right, and that pretty much wraps it up for the upstairs. Let me know in the comments what you guys think so far. I'm gonna head outside and we'll show you the backyard and then that pond in the back. So you have a very spacious patio out here with cedar accents. Again, you can see you have a replicated similar ceiling to the front porch as well with the recessed lighting. I'll show you around the corner here. Good size lot for storage or your lawnmower, whatever you want to put over here. And then let's go out and look at the pond. I'll pause right here and show you the back profile of the house. Nice and clean, clean lines. I like it. We'll go around the corner here. They do have a gate in the fence, which is a lovely feature. And look at this pond, you guys. Really pretty. Of course, you could put a little table and chairs out here if you wanted. But love that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would love to know. It's always good to have some feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next home tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tours, living Tulsa content, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video.